Everybody, so for today's video, let's go. Come with me as I I'm gonna try today one of the cheapest bus here in India. So ayan. So if you can see that, I don't know if you can see that from here. So basically, if you can see the track over there, they they will have to load all that things first before we can go. So good luck. It's gonna take some time probably. We're supposed to be leaving now at 4, but I think no, I think they need at least an hour to do all that. So good luck and meet my very kind driver today. Na iniligaw ako, tuwa pa siya. Iniligaw niya ako.
Hello.
So ayan. A bit later, I'm gonna show you what's inside the bus. But I already dropped my bag, and trust me, it's gonna be fucking extreme. So good luck talaga. As in, good luck. Just to let you know, as early as now, I'm already regretting my decision to try this. But andito na tayo. Wala na tong bawian. Andito naman yung driver ko. We can still go back. But no, I need to do this. So as early as now, ilalaban na natin. We will try to challenge my backpacker skills. And I'm wearing a mask. Yeah, because my cough and allergies, it's not getting any better. But finished my first set of antibiotics and medicines because I'm super duper allergic with dust. But okay, we'll figure out if I can do this. I hope I don't think so na there's gonna be if there's any way for me to go down from that bus in case that I no longer want it. But we will try. I will do my best and let's see kung kakayanan natin. I'm gonna show you what's inside and trust me, it's not beautiful. There's no toilet inside. It's a 19-hour bus ride from here, Kolkata, West Bengal, India, going to Varanasi. So, gusto nyo na exposure. So, ayun, try na natin. Gawin na natin to. Patigyan natin yung mga kalandian sa Thailand. It's gonna be this vlog in India is gonna be full of challenges and let's just see how it goes. If I can still make it and ay bahala na. Let's do it. Ija, thank you. Thank you. Shukriya. Oh, ayan. Oh, good. Ayan na, good luck. Nakamas talaga ako, promise. To everyone, don't bash me if I'm wearing mask. Even the locals are wearing masks. I can't make it. Ito yung mga times na I'm starting to kind of how do you say it? Kind of regret my decision to do this because I don't know if I can manage this. Again, it's gonna be 19-hour bus ride, but I kind of mentally prepared myself naman before I go visit India. So, let's see. Grabe yung pollution, nakakaloka. As in, tuloy-tuloy yung ubo ko. It's non-stop. I literally just went to a pharmacy before I go because I told them I already finished my first set of medications. And then I just want something na parang just to maintain, just for maintenance lang. Maintenance? Basta something like that because I'm gonna be traveling by bus nga. And it's not what I expected, honestly. But naririnig ko sa mga co-travelers ko, expect the worst when you're in India. So, okay. Mentally prepared naman ako. So, I hope kaya natin to. Para lang maintindihan. So, everybody, just so you can understand where I'm coming from. Why do I want to cancel the trip? Let me show you this. Excuse me. Sorry. Oops. Thank you. So, and this is, I don't know kung ano itong tinatapakan ko. But, nagsisisi na ako. Ayoko na maging traveler. Charis. Good luck na lang sa akin. Kung makakatulog ako dito. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. These are the times na so kaya yung mama ko. Na-o-open. Sana naman na-o-open to. Ayun, na-o-open naman yung window. Pwede na yan. Okay na, kaya ko yan. So, yung official siguro, this is gonna be let's say, my longest land travel ever, like continuous, because this is again 19 hours. 19 hours bus ride. Shit, it's almost one day. I don't know if I can survive the shit or not. But parang gusto ko nang maging religious na lang din talaga. Parang ito yung moment na puta. I'm starting to feel nagre-regret na ako sa decision ko. Promise. Just look. Sorry kung dami kong mura ha. Kasi low-key I wanna cancel the ride. Sabi nung driver ko, may driver told me, do you wanna cancel your ride? Do you wanna go back? I can take you back. Appear me. Yung bata kanina pa siya nagtataka siya. Bait nung bata. Alam niyo yung mga bata, mababait talaga sa akin. Tsaka yung mga mga old na matatandang babae. But not all. Diba? But not all. Maldita, diba? So everybody, again, this is gonna be like my 19 hours bus ride from Kolkata going to Varanasi. So, say hi. Ating mabagat sa kanila pa namumulat, oh. So, ayun. I hope we can make it. I hope kayanin natin to because I don't have a choice. If they can do it, I can do it. And I told you I'm not maarte when it comes to traveling. To everyone who I flirted in Thailand, if you're watching this is my real life. Diba? This is the... I want to become really like an extreme kind of traveler kasi I've seen a lot of like vloggers din naman who've done this, like riding the cheapest train. Thank you, Shukriya. Wait, nung bagets, oh. Ano yan eh, parang katulong yata siya ng driver. Anak yata siya ng driver. Oy, ang mga lamok nagsisimula na. Nagdala ko ng pang spray. So everybody, in case that you also want to try this shit, start. Sorry, I have to wear mask. Oh, to everyone who don't know me yet, to everyone who's new to my channel, I have dust allergies. So please don't think I'm maarte. I prepared my medicines because I kind of expected that it's gonna be dusty. And ano pa ba? Okay, back to what I was saying. So to everyone who's wanna try this also in the future, always bring like any kind of medicines for your stomach, for fever, for your allergies if you have, because I don't know what's gonna happen. I can only update you by tomorrow if this bus is gonna have like, I saw to where I booked my ticket that it's gonna have like one stop, but other than that, no. Let me show you a bit more of the place. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam. Puro puwet ng India na makikita mo. So, ayan siya. Imagine mo kung ito yung binook mo, oh. Ito, oh. 500 rupee. Tapos ito, 1,002. Nagpay ako ng almost 1,300. Almost 1,000 din, dahil. Almost 1,000 din. Almost 1,000 pesos din yung binayad ko, dahil. Diba? $25 din for this ride. So, again, laban. Let's go. Let's do it. Kaya to. I'm trying to cheer myself up. May itsura to. Ito. Grabe yung hirap ng trabaho, no? Kaya kayo, okay mag-aaral sa mga trabaho nyo, ha? Parang ilang beses na yan nag-akit baba, day. Kaya bago ko tayo magreklamo in life. Ako, you know the reason why sometimes even I want to complain in life? When you travel a lot, trust me, you're gonna see like a lot of things that you never knew existed in this world. Like the life outside of the Philippines, the life outside Dubai. It's like hard as fuck. So be thankful to if you have a place to sleep, if you have AC, if you have food, if you have kahit simpleng rice cooker lang, be thankful enough. Because in my first few days here in India, I just realized a lot of things na I'm really lucky, honestly. Lalo na yung most especially to those students, young adults who goes to school wearing sleepers, broken socks, and they still go to school. Parang, I think I saw it last night. Nanonood yung bagets. I almost feel like, I think I'm still lucky. Even I was not able to finish my studies. I fought for it, but I think I didn't do enough. No, see, and I become more grateful in life. So, ayun. The kids, update kayo again. Let's go. This content, it's just gonna be like inside this bus lang, this 19 hours bus ride. So, I'll try to make it like concise. Concise. Hindi ko alam kung tama yun. Basta, hiya mo na. Nangungulit yung bagets. Sabi niya, tignan ko daw yung camera. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, good? Happy ka na? Oh. Kaya pa siya nangungulit. Sabi ko, sinisave ko nga yung battery ko eh. Sama mo na siya sa vlog. Andiyan na siya eh. Oh. Oh. Jumain ka na sa vlog ko. Up ka ng kiyahe?
Mayang Sing.
Oh, yun daw yung pangalan niya. Alam nyo, I know that this is gonna be like a long train ride. So, nagdala tayo ng mga panlinis ng kuko. Yes, dito tayo maglilinis ng kuko, magugupit ng kuko. Because why not? Wala naman nagbawal. India to, pwede maggupit ng kuko dito sa bus. Walang magre-reklamo. Kayong ano dyan. Atcha? Teke. Oh, magupit tayo ng kuko. Ito ang pinakaunang activity. Mamaya pa dapat to, mami. Gusto ko magtanggal ng jacket, kaso nakasando ako. Baka mabash ako.
Hello.
The last time that I cleaned my nails, I was still in Bangkok before New Year. So, ayun. Yes. Di ba? First stop. First task. Maglinis ng kuko. Clean your nails. Di ba? Bango nito. I got this from Indian store earlier. And they're like, you can use it daw. Better compared to cotton. Tinry ko, totoo siya. Natatanggal niya talaga yung remover. Ay, natatanggal niya talaga. It can really remove my nail polish. I will show you the magic of this small tissue. Kung ano to. I don't know what is this, but I bought it anyways. Dead na. See? Of course, you cannot. It's madilim. We need to add more light. Kakaloka. Finally, the bus started to move. After 1 hour and almost 20 minutes. Diba? Kala ko di na kami aalis, Tish. Kala mo, the bus finally started moving. I thought we're no longer gonna leave the place. We've been there for like an hour and a half. At yung sipon ko ayaw tumantan. Everybody, I'll keep you updated. I'm just gonna be like, ubadera. In the next 19 hours or so. 20 muna, 21 muna. Because delayed na kami. Because we have been delayed for an hour and a half. So, hi everybody. So, ayun. It's around, what time is it? Around 12? No, 11. 11 in the evening here. So, we left at 5:20. Finally, we made like the official stop where you can actually use a proper washroom. It's still dirty, but better than nothing. Like what they're actually doing. Like they just keep stopping somewhere. Like the side, and then they keep, how do you say it? Wait lang, I'm so gutom na. Can I have the chicken? So, ayan. May chicken lollipop? No, this. The patties. The bread, yeah, this bread, yeah. 40, yeah? I'm almost done with my nails. Almost. Mag-try tayo. I'm so gutom, grabe. I'm so gutom na. Kuha tayo ng chicken. Alam mo, let's buy chicken lollipop na rin kasi I'm really hungry na talaga. Chicken lollipop 30 egg? 130? Tin.
piece ka piece na.
May zero sugar sila. Diba? Di ko na alam yung ginagawa ko. Lollipop. Tin. How much does zero sugar Coca-Cola? How much? Okay. Chicken lollipop and 30, 40. 20, 30. Shit, there you go. Do you have a plastic? Plastic. Yeah, please. Thank you. Oh, it's my first time to see Coke Zero here after 7 days.
भैया समोसा ये सिंगाड़ा 10 रुपए की सिंगाड़ा यही ना अच्छा ये सिंगाड़ा है ये सिंगाड़ा 10 का है आलू है इसके अंदर
Kailangan ko nang bumili. I need to buy a lot of food now because I don't know which will be the next stop. So I'm literally buying everything now.
डिस्पोजल
I don't want to stress myself out.
डिस्पोजल बैग कैरी बैग
Yeah. Shit. Oh, it's okay. No worries. I'll just carry it. Kailangan ko ng chai. Wait. Uy, may chai sila. Magbili tayo. Say hi. Shit. Can you have this, the 20?
हाँ
20. Chai?
चाय हाँ
Yeah, please.
चाय बिल
There's the bill. Oh, okay. Doon pala yung chai. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Thank you. Alam mo, ang gulo-gulo dito. Nai-stress ako. I wanted takeaway. Takeaway, parcel. You can make parcel? Hindi kayo magkaintindihan.
हमको दिखाइए कैमरा
Hay daw siya. I'll go.
चाहिए
Mhm. Hoy, Chay. Madalian na to. Basta katabi ko siya kasi katabi ko yan sa bus eh. Hanggat hindi siya umaalis, hindi ako aalis. As long as it's not leaving, I'm not gonna leave here.
गरम करके देना अच्छा सा है
Kain. In the van, grabe, super hassle kanina, hindi ko na alam. Basta, chinecheck ko lang yung, I'm just like literally just checking my things because I don't know how long are we gonna be here. If you ask the driver, he's like, he can't communicate properly. But the good thing is that the guy who's living above my bed, he's like super mabait, he's super duper kind. He's like assisted me with everything, he even waited for me, like take my things for me, translate everything for me. So, yeah. Ano ba? Okay, as early as this, let me tell you, like this kind of travel experience. I don't. If you can, then go for it. But if you're like a female, I don't advise you to do the same thing. Not because it's not safe, because it is the washroom accessibility, which is really really important, I guess, for women. So it's not, the best decision that you're gonna. It's not the best decision to take the same thing that I did today. I would highly suggest if you can book in advance the train because I think they have a proper facilities when it comes to washroom and all that. I only did this because I really wanted to experience this as well. But to be honest, this is something that I'm never gonna do again. But yeah, let's do it. It's sorry, I thought it's almost 12. It's just 10:40. I'm telling you, the usok here, the dust, and the pollution is, my God, nakakaloka. So, hindi ko alam, basta I just tinuro ko na lang kasi I was really hungry. I almost wanted to ask the guy who lives above me if he has like any kind of snacks just for me to eat something. But the good thing is we already stopped. I don't know why am I talking so fast, but anyways, yan sa more. Ano lang to, the only reason why I did this is just to, a travel backpacker checklist, that's it. But if you're like on a holiday, if you're like not a backpacker like me, I don't recommend for you to do this because basta, it's so mahirap, it's so nakakairita. But again, before I come to India, I mentally prepared myself. Physically, mentally, and stomatically. Stomatically. Yes, I really prepared my stomach. If you check my bags, like for example, this one. Asan ba? Okay, it's not here. O basta somewhere. Maybe the other bag. I have all my medicines ready with me all the time. I don't usually hand carry it with me like with my small bag. But here, I'm like carrying it with me everywhere I go. Come have dinner with me in my nakakalokang bus experience here in India. Nakakaloka. This is chicken lollipop. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Let's eat. I hope it's not maanghang. My God. Amazing. It's not maanghang. We can eat. Let's go. I don't have a choice but to buy whatever that store has to offer. So they have chicken. I said, okay, I'll buy the chicken and the sandwich that I was eating earlier. I finished na my nails, the left side. To everybody who wants to try my life, I told you, it's not always beautiful. Diba? From Thailand, from party, from inuman to wait, I'll show you how it looks like. Para just so you can imagine, diba? Kasi maybe on the camera it looks okay, but let me show you how it looks like. Can you see that? Diba nakakaloka? I don't know what this is, but look. And this is my room, o diba? See? Ang dami nangyayari. There's a lot of things happening around me. I have food, may makeup, may nail polish. And this is like how the back looks like. And there's too much people umuubo. I'm so scared. Maybe I get sick. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna eat na. I'll update you again later. If we have another stop, then I'll update you. I want to sleep, so okay. Everybody, good morning. So it's almost 8 in the morning. Grabe, sobrang lamig. It was extremely cold. I'm fucking freezing inside my cabin. I don't have any winter clothes. But just like, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like outside. Because I'm literally dying. So I hope hindi ako mag-ubo or sipon again. So I think this is gonna be like one of our last stopover. I wanna have chai. And I think also everyone is waiting to have chai. But I think they're still like making the chai. So ayan. So this time I can confirm to you, aside from its air pollution, it's also a fog. Okay, so and this is what our bus looks like. It's not bad. I mean, but you can't survive this. I think if it's summer, no, don't do this. It is now winter and look at my itsura. Sorry, it's like super duper ginaw, so I'm gonna go inside na. Because I don't have any winter clothes, so ayun. Wait, let me show you what Let me show you what it looks like, our bus again. Ayan siya. Para makita nyo. Look, may nilalakaran. Diba? Nakakaloka. Akin na ba ito? Akin na ba ito? Kwarto ko na ba ito? Akin na ba ito? Oh, so ayun. It's so cold, so... Oh, okay. 3 to 4 more hours away from the drop-off. Wala pa akong tutuluyan. I haven't booked any place yet in Varanasi. I think I should start doing it now. Okay. It's now 10:30 in the morning here, and I don't know. You know why it's malamig here? Why it's cold? Because this is literally like if you just go a little bit more northern, that's gonna be Nepal. And as you know, Nepal is also like a cold country. As far as I know, yeah. I don't know how it happened, but I was able to sleep really well. I was thinking because my body was really, really tired as well, and also because of the medicine that I'm currently taking. So I think those medicines helped me to become drowsy and feel really sleepy. Grabe, my hands, parang sakit na kamay ko because of, I think I fell asleep and then my hands were like outside of my jacket. When I woke up, it feels really, really painful. So, super duper lamig. This is what I use as my blanket. May tulong palda. Di kayang sabihin sa English. Basta palda. I don't have any jacket. These are the only clothes that I have that I can use to cover myself from the cold environment. Ay, paano? See? Toilet break. This is what I'm telling you, everybody. Everybody, so this is gonna be our last stop, I guess, because we're literally like an hour away from from here to there. So we'll do our last. Ayan. I'm not gonna do chai because I don't think that they're using water that will fit my needs as much as I would like to. Pero yung parata, carry lang yun. Laban natin yung parata. So we'll get one of that parata or chapati and then egg. So yeah.
1.38 hours next stop.
We will stop again?
1 hour next stop.
Okay. But I want that. Can I have like one piece? Just one piece. Only one. Egg.
Egg piece roti.
Just roti. Nothing else. Ay, siya yung tumutulong sa akin. Oh, ayan. Thank you. Just roti. No anything else.
Paper.
Just paper. I can eat it like that. It's okay. Bigay mo na lang yung tinapay. Just give it to me. I will eat it. No anything else. Why they don't have egg? I'm sad. I only bought one piece of roti. I didn't buy any gravy because I'm trying to avoid food poisoning. We don't want food poisoning. I'm still recovering from my throat infection. This is the safest, the tinapay. Kahit walang lasa, carry lang yan, go. Iginaryo. They put in the newspaper. I wanna have chai, but the water doesn't look clean, so I'm sorry. Not to be judgmental, ha, but I'm just taking care of myself. I know a lot of people, a lot of backpackers are also doing that. You really have to choose where to eat, otherwise, good luck. Someone told me we're gonna have another stop in an hour, so maybe I can find something a bit better there. So, ayun. Everybody, so we just like drop off from the bus. So, like just in the middle of the road, and then you have to walk from here going through the trail. Sorry, railway. Like that, railway. Like train. Okay, so we have to go there to the train, so that we just... So that's gonna be it. That's the end of my 19-hour bus ride. That's just 19, it almost took us almost like 21 hours. Nakatulog ako, so okay lang. Pero may tigyawat ako, hindi ako masaya. Let me show you like how the road looks like. The road. So ayan siya. Oh, ayan. Oh my God. Everybody, I'm telling you, on your first ever backpacking travel, do not go to India first. Please, magpahinog muna kayo before you go here. Otherwise, baka isumpa nyo ang traveling. So, ayan. Okay, we're gonna have to cross the road. Ay! Mamamatay pa.
रेलवे स्टेशन पैंट सबको भर के चलोगे
We cannot walk? Just walking. Walking is okay. Yeah. Hindi ko siya knows, pero siya yung nag-a-assist sa akin simula pa kagabi. So, thank you. Kung sino ka man, thank you. Thank you, ah! Well, everybody, that's gonna be it. Pagod na rin ako, so this is where I'm gonna end my 19-hour bus ride here in India from... Ano ba nangyayari? O, sumakay daw kami. Yaman, sumunod na lang tayo. Let's go, let's do it. Everybody, we're inside the... How do? Rickshaw?
रिक्शा
Rickshaw daw. Nilaro kami, mami. Apat sila sa driver's seat. Tatlo kami sa likod. So, red ma, laban. Let's go, let's do it. God. Careful, please. Makakasagasa pa kami. Everybody, bonus clip tayo. So, I'm heading to my hostel right now. Riding a bike. So, ayun. It's super duper duper cold right now. Yeah, but let's do it. Oh my God. Woo! Shit. Again, everybody, if you wanna go here, please. Please ask yourself so many times if you're doing the right thing. Ay, low-key, hirap na ako, pero tinutuloy ko pa din. Gusto ko na mag-fly away. Gusto ko nang mag-book pa alis. Parang I'm ready na to my next country. So, why not in India? Nagsisisi ka, chance lang. We can do it, we can do it. I'm trying to cheer myself up for the last 7 days. I can do it. Walang sakit na makakaparat. Woo! Oh, everybody, that's the bonus clip. Baka mamaya yung next bonus clip ko pag hindi ako kumapit sa driver. Semp lang. So, wag naman sana. I hope not. Okay. So, thank you everybody for watching this vlog and this interaction. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with, I hope you're okay. Goodbye from India.